Before you make a decision to purchase Flxpoint, there are several things you need to know. Compared to other dropshipping software, Flxpoint offers some great features, but it's not without its challenges. Stick with me until the end, as we'll dive into both the benefits and potential drawbacks. First, Flxpoint is a centralized platform for managing your dropshipping business. It allows you to track orders, inventory, and product data across multiple suppliers, all in one place. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working with numerous vendors. Next thing, Flxpoint offers an advanced automation system. With it, you can automate workflows like order routing and inventory updates, making your dropshipping process smoother. This feature is similar to what you'd find with competitors like Oberlo, but Flxpoint takes it further by offering highly customizable automation options that can be tailored to your business model. The third thing is the integration with major e-commerce platforms. It works seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, giving you the flexibility to use it with various online stores. Many competitors have limitations on which platforms they support, so this broad compatibility is a big plus. Now, let's talk pricing. While Flxpoint's pricing model is competitive, it can get expensive for smaller businesses. It's more of an enterprise-level solution, which might be overkill if you're just starting out. This sets it apart from other tools that offer cheaper or more beginner-friendly pricing tiers, like Spocket or Modelist. The fifth thing you should know is the complexity of the setup. Flxpoint requires more time and effort to configure compared to other dropshipping software. If you're not tech-savvy, it might be a bit challenging at first, but once set up, it becomes much easier to manage. Next, Flxpoint has a strong focus on data accuracy and real-time syncing. This is crucial when you're dealing with multiple suppliers, as it ensures your inventory is always up to date. While this is a benefit, not all competitors offer this level of precision, so it's one of Flxpoint's standout features. The seventh thing is its powerful reporting and analytics tools. Flxpoint provides in-depth insights into your business performance, including sales trends and supplier performance. If you're looking for detailed analytics, this could give you an edge over competitors with less robust reporting features. Now, the eighth thing to consider is customer support. Flxpoint's customer service is generally good, but it has received some mixed reviews when it comes to response time. This could be an issue if you need immediate help, unlike some competitors that offer 24/7 support. The ninth thing is that Flxpoint offers a large number of integrations, particularly with shipping carriers and payment processors. This makes it easier to manage your entire dropshipping operation from one place. Other platforms may not offer the same level of integration options, which could limit your flexibility. Moving on, Flxpoint provides a solid inventory management system, helping you keep track of stock levels across multiple suppliers. This is especially useful for larger businesses. However, for smaller dropshippers, it might be a feature you don't need right away. The 11th thing is that Flxpoint is ideal for businesses looking to scale quickly. With its ability to handle high order volumes and multiple suppliers, it's well suited for growth. However, if you're just starting out or have a small operation, the features might feel overwhelming. Finally, Flxpoint is a great option for established dropshippers looking for a powerful tool to streamline operations. But if you're just beginning and need something simpler or more affordable, you might want to check out some other options. So, is Flxpoint worth it? It's a solid choice for serious dropshippers who are ready to scale their businesses. However, if you're looking for something more beginner-friendly or cost-effective, there are alternatives out there. For those, you can try our recommended solution for free to see if it's a better fit for you.